Zero Pump. Introducing the Zero Pump, touted by its creators as the only pump you'll ever need. This versatile device delivers up to 0.4 atmospheres of pressure and pumps air at a rate of 300 liters per minute, making it highly efficient for a variety of tasks. Not just an air pump, the Zero Pump is also perfect for vacuum bagging and doubles as a 2700 mAh power bank. It includes a built-in light and a magnetic mount, adding to its functionality and convenience. Priced at just $59, the Zero Pump offers an all-in-one solution for your pumping, lighting, and charging needs. Zempire Pro. Zempire, one of New Zealand's premier camping gear companies, is renowned for its high-quality tents that cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts. Take, for instance, the Zempire Pro TMV2, a 4-person tent that inflates in under 2 minutes, providing quick and easy setup. For larger groups, the Pro 3 V2 stands out. This tent can comfortably accommodate up to 8 people and features a clever design with special light diffusing fabric in the sleeping area, ensuring a restful night's sleep even when the sun is up. It's important to note that Zempire tents come with a premium price tag. The Pro 3 V2, for example, is priced at $3,634. Despite the higher cost, Zempire tents offer unparalleled quality and innovative features that make them a worthy investment for serious campers. Hot Circle. Artificial intelligence has made its way into our bedrooms with innovative products like the Hot Circle blanket. This smart blanket uses advanced algorithms to automatically manage heating, adjusting to the user's location and weather conditions for optimal comfort. The Hot Circle blanket offers 7 heating levels, with a maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. It comes in 2 sizes to fit different needs. The model measuring 180 by 100 cm is priced at $219, while the larger model, measuring 180 by 150 cm, is available for $269. With its intelligent heating system, the Hot Circle blanket ensures you stay cozy and warm, no matter the weather outside. NONSTOP 2.0. Looking to keep your feet dry in any season while preventing odors and dirt on your socks? That's exactly what NONSTOP 2.0 can do. These incredible socks are breathable yet waterproof, keeping water out while allowing your feet to breathe. They're also resilient against dust and dirt, eliminating the need for spray treatments. Made from a special durable fabric, you can even walk in these socks without shoes. Get 3 pairs of these amazing socks for just $63. Nebula Mars 3. Introducing the Nebula Mars 3. The team behind the Nebula Mars 3 has an incredible story to tell. They've pioneered the world's first projector designed specifically for outdoor use. The Nebula Mars 3 can project a stunning 200-inch screen with a high-definition resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. With a remarkable brightness of 1000 lumens, this projector ensures vivid and clear images. Its powerful 185 watt-hour battery allows you to enjoy up to 5 hours of movies on a single charge. The Nebula Mars 3 is available for purchase at $1,050. Devos OEG Screen. Enhance your projector experience with the Devos OEG Screen. This 92-inch diagonal screen is the perfect companion for your projector, offering compatibility with HD, 4K, and even 3D movies. Complete with a sturdy frame, supports, mounts, and a convenient carrying bag, the OEG ensures easy setup and portability. Elevate your viewing experience for just $88 with the Devos OEG Go E. Meet the Go E, an innovative folding solar stove that won't break the bank. Priced at just $30, its simple design belies its impressive capabilities. This compact stove is more than just a tool for boiling and stewing. It can even handle frying your favorite dishes. The genius lies in its 400 milliliter container, which, when combined with specialized plates, harnesses the sun's heat to reach a scorching temperature of 280 degrees Celsius. Pocket Sink. Get ready to discover one of the most portable sinks on the planet. Compact and lightweight, measuring just 25 by 18 by 6 centimeter and weighing in at only 500 grams, the Pocket Sink is your ultimate travel companion. With the option to attach a foot pedal, you can enjoy hands-free operation, eliminating the need to touch the faucet. Prices for this versatile sink range from just $10 to $50, making it accessible to all. KingCamp Sleeping Bags. With KingCamp sleeping bags, leaving your cozy cocoon after a night's sleep is optional. Transform it into a poncho effortlessly, featuring 2 armholes and 1 for your legs, allowing you to take a comfortable stroll without stepping out of your warmth. Designed for all seasons except winter and perfect for temperatures no lower than 12 Celsius, this versatile sleeping bag is priced affordably at just $35. Joolca ENSUITE Shower Base. Say goodbye to wet and messy camping shower areas with the Joolca ENSUITE Shower Base. This innovative solution provides a separate base for your shower space, ensuring that water is contained and directed away from your campsite or into a recycling system. The bamboo slats of the ENSUITE offer a comfortable alternative to standing on sand or stones. Invest in cleanliness and comfort for your camping trips with the ENSUITE Shower Base. Available for $251. 14-in-1 multi-tool. No hiking or camping kit is complete without a versatile multi-tool. Let's delve into why this one is valued at $24. To begin, buyers receive a whopping 14 tools, ranging from a hammer and an axe to a saw, along with the ever-reliable bottle opener. Secondly, durability is paramount, with assurances that this tool won't falter even when tackling tough jobs like fire hydrants. And lastly, crafted by the experts at RoverTac Company, renowned for their expertise in manufacturing high-quality multi-tools. HEIMPLANET The Cave XL. While inflatable structures offer a myriad of options for creating your campsite fortress, there's one option that stands out: the Cave XL Tent by HEIMPLANET. While owners of inflatable castles struggle with setup, the Cave can be pitched in under a minute. Designed for 3 people, weighing approximately 5 kilograms and neatly packing into a backpacking case, this tent offers both convenience and portability. At just $200 when folded, do you think it's a clever solution? Fenik. While it may not have garnered much attention on Kickstarter, the Fenik cooler is definitely worth a closer look. What sets it apart? Well, it keeps your items cool without the need for ice or electricity. Simply add clean water to the cooler, and thanks to its innovative phase tech material, the temperature inside will be 3 to 6 degrees Celsius, lower than the surrounding environment. This clever interaction with water effectively draws heat away, keeping your contents fresh for longer. You can snag a 60-liter cooler for just $140. Sharp and Spark. Experience the versatility of the Sharp and Spark, where sharpening meets fire starting. The white rod is designed to sharpen your knife, while the black rod helps you build a campfire. Essentially, the Sharp and Spark combines a fire starter with a sharpening stone in one compact, lightweight tool, weighing just 71 grams. Available for only $25. It's the perfect addition to your camping gear. ENO DoubleNest Hammock. How lightweight can a hiking hammock be? The creators of the ENO DoubleNest have achieved an impressive weight of just 540 grams, while still being able to comfortably hold up to 181 kilograms. Designed with couples in mind, this hammock comes in various versions for 2 people. As an added bonus, it features a built-in pocket for cans and bottles. The ENO DoubleNest is available for $75. EXO OpenRange. If your cooking needs surpass basic capabilities, consider an entire outdoor kitchen like the EXO OpenRange. This comprehensive setup includes multiple tables, a cutting board, a sink, a 2-burner stove, and various practical features. Weighing 30 kilograms, it offers approximately 85 liters of storage space. Priced at $1,200, the EXO OpenRange reflects its extensive range of features and functionality. FlashSpeed PRO 3000. Ideal for both home and camping, the FlashSpeed Pro 3000 power supply is a standout choice. With an impressive 9,000 watt-hour capacity, It delivers outstanding performance. Fully charged batteries can power a washing machine for up to 9 hours, or recharge a laptop approximately 835 times. Designed for convenience, it features wheels and a handle for effortless transport on various surfaces, from linoleum to grass. This remarkable piece of technology is available for just $1,000. Float Troy. The creators of Float Troy have brought forth a truly unique and innovative idea. Offering floating tents for just $95 per night, they invite everyone to experience the magic of their floating accommodations. With breathtaking landscapes and an unparalleled atmosphere, who needs to worry about the cost? Their camp features 16 tents and 4 floating fireplaces, providing an unforgettable experience. Each tent accommodates up to 4 people and comes with oars and life jackets as part of the rental package. HydraPak Contour Reservoir. HydraPak has established a reputation for innovation through collaborations with industry leaders such as Salomon and Osprey. Specializing in hydration solutions, their flagship product line includes the HydraPak Contour series, which addresses the need for hydration in hip packs, optimizing valuable backpack space. Featuring wide openings for effortless filling and cleaning, these hydration packs are a convenient choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The 1.5-liter HydraPak Contour Reservoir weighs a mere 128 grams and is available for $51. Magware 2.0. Here's another innovative product from an American company. By integrating magnets into camping utensils, they've garnered remarkable success, raising around $670,000 in just one Kickstarter campaign. The magnetic dish attachment points are so effective that the designers have even applied for a patent. As for the dishes themselves, they're crafted from durable 304 stainless steel. For just $50, you can get a set comprising 2 plates and 2 bowls. Coffee brew pipe. With approximately 580 billion cups of coffee consumed worldwide each year, it's clear that many folks can't do without their coffee fix, even during hikes. That's where the Bright with Bright kit comes in handy. This innovative kit allows you to brew your coffee in the great outdoors. Complete with a compact brewing pipe, a metal filter, a stand, a butane burner, a thermometer, and a case, it has everything you need for the perfect brew. All of this for just $90.